Alert, Earth is in danger, right now. Nibiru, Planet X, is causing a super-fast, electron shower. These electronic showers, which can affect satellites and space travel, are caused by electromagnetic waves, the scientists clarify. Subscribe to the channel. Researchers at the University of California, UCLA, have discovered a new source of super-fast electrons raining down on Earth. Planet X, with its approach and its powerful magnetism, is causing colorful aurora borealis, which poses dangers to satellites, spacecraft and astronauts. Renowned observers observed an unexpected and rapid electron fallout much more intense than the electron showers known so far. Observations were made from low Earth orbit with the help of two electron losses and fields investigation (ELFIN) mission microsatellites, built and operated on the UCLA campus by undergraduate and graduate students, guided by a team of mentors. It is no longer possible to hide the impending disaster of Nibiru, Planet X. Combining the ELFIN data with more distant observations from NASA's Themis spacecraft, the scientists determined that the sudden, electronic showers were caused by whistler waves, whistling waves, a type of electromagnetic wave, which ripples through plasma in the space, and affects the electrons in the Earth's magnetosphere, causing them to spill into the atmosphere. Consequently, electron rains alter spatial and climatic meteorological models on Earth. According to Xiaojia Zhang, a researcher at UCLA, ELFIN's satellites are the first to measure these super-fast electrons. Quote, "Right now, events are affecting the near-Earth space environment, full of charged particles orbiting in gigantic rings around the planet, called the Van Allen radiation belt. Is the world's silence intended to deceive the masses? Will Smith's slap be more important than what's happening in space?" Under these conditions, radiation belts are generated whistler waves, which encounter beams of electrons in their path. As a result of this encounter, the electrons are energized and accelerated, in such a way that they rush towards the Earth's poles, creating a super-rapid shower of electrons. We really are on the verge of witnessing electromagnetic events. Artificial satellites, GPS and other devices can simply stop working overnight. Of course they will say it was hackers or an alien attack. The problem has always been Nibiru. The Van Allen belts are being a big reservoir, filled with water, or, in this case, electrons, explains Vasilis Angelopoulos, professor of space physics at UCLA and principal investigator at ELFIN. Subscribe to the channel. As the reservoir fills, the water periodically spirals downward to prevent overflow, relief drainage. But when big waves occur in the reservoir, the water slides over the edge, faster and in greater volume than the relief drainage. Specialists were able to understand in detail the process by which the waves cause rapid showers of electrons, which flow into the atmosphere. The results are particularly important because current space meteorological theories and models, while accounting for other sources of electrons entering the atmosphere, do not predict this extra flux, induced by whistler waves. These rains can affect Earth's atmospheric chemistry, put spacecraft at risk and damage satellites in low orbits. The researchers also showed that this type of electron flow can increase significantly during geomagnetic storms, disturbances caused by increased solar activity, and affect the space closer to Earth and our planet's magnetic environment. While it is believed that space is separate from the upper atmosphere, the two are intrinsically linked, says Angelopoulos. Understanding how they are connected can benefit the satellites and astronauts that pass through the region, which are increasingly important for commerce, telecommunications and space tourism, adds the researcher. The increasing effects of magnetic storms in space closer to Earth is just one detail of the chaos that will ensue. The satellites are operated from the UCLA Mission Operations Center on the university campus. It's so gratifying to have augmented our knowledge of space science with hardware data we've built ourselves, admitted Colin Wilkins, co-author of the study and a PhD student in space physics. As the situation worsens, we are watching the world's big brother. Whoever has ears, listen and prepare for the imminent arrival of Nibiru, Planet X. The rest of the zombie masses are on the broad road leading to destruction. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications, to receive new videos. Thanks.